tay hi tay hat 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 tay hi. Look at your Aramandi beta. You almost stood up. Thank you. Good. Sit. Stand up. Why did you stand up? You have to maintain your Aramandi. Okay. You can't do like. This is not how it should be. It should be tai hat tai hi tai hat. See, your head should remain. Your jump should happen, and your knee should go out, which is not happening. You need to work on your Kurita Mattadavu. Okay, she needs to work on Kurita Mattadavu footwork. I had told last class. The last class I didn't tell, but last class I told. She needs to put more work in that. Okay, so you need to practice a lot more Kurita Mattadavu footwork. Okay, second, 1, 2, Tadam. Second, Tadam. Kutta degi na so. Tai hat tai hi tai hat tai hi tai hat tai hi tai hat tai hi tai. Fit together. Tai hi. Fit together. Tai hi tai hat tai hi tai hat tai hi. And stand up. When you stand up in the class, you should be like this. Please. Thank you. I want you to do once again, and what I want you to do is your heel I want you to closer. Don't dance like this, okay? Or even when with your feet are like this, don't dance like this. Anvita, you are getting into that position, and Shreya, you also sometimes getting into this position. You don't want it. We want our heels inside, okay? So Kurita Mattadavu looks very good if your heels are inside. Come here, little bit. Come here. Give space. Ready? Once again, second Kurita Mattadavu. 1, 2, Tadam. Kutta degi na so. Tai hat tai hi 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 tai hat. Kanta mukha properly. Tripataka tai hat tai hi tai hat tai hi. Nice. Aramandi, hold your hand. Tripataka. Both the hands Tripataka. Why is your head bending? It should be bending from the waist, not from the head. Nice. You should be looking there. You should be looking at your hand. Okay. And when you look there, hold your body straight. Just your head should turn. Okay. Stand up. Okay. So it should be like this. Okay. So basically your hand is straight, but because you are bending, it is to the going down. You understand? Don't take your hand down. Okay. If you take your hand down, it's going to be bad. So you take, your hand is only till here. It's tai hat tai hi. But because you are bending, it looks as if it's going down. Okay? But when you bend, don't twist your body. Like this and like this. Look at your hand. Look at your hand. Yeah, that is how it should be. Okay? Don't twist your body. She's twisting, Anita, she's twisting her body. When she's doing like this, she needs to, because this is difficult to remove it once it gets ingrained. Okay, work on it and correct it. Okay. Shreya, your hand should be Kataka Mukha over here. Okay, and should change to Tripataka and do Tripataka like this. Okay, do you understand? Your jump, Shreya, Risha, should be nice and up, heel up and knees out. It's not happening that way. You need to work on that. Okay. I want to see more work on that. Okay. Okay. Ready? Let's do the third one. 1, 2, Tadam. Kutta degi na so. Tai hat tai hi tai hat tai hi tai hat tai hi tai hat tai hi tai hat tai. Hand out. Tai hat tai hi tai hat tai hi tai